None of us wants to age. Even if that is inevitable, we all want to look young. That is also right because youth has a beauty that is absent in age. How antioxidants can help you in fighting aged looks? Let us find out. Antioxidants. What are they? Our body is constantly attacked by pollution, sun rays and other damaging factors. While saving the body, we produce free radicals. They are oxygen molecules without an electron. These free radicals search around the body for a free electron. They take it from a healthy cell and kill it. That is very damaging to body and accelerates aging. Antioxidants give an electron to these free radicals and stop them from damaging healthy cells. That is how they protect us from aging. Antioxidants, how to use them. Most of the vitamins such as vitamin C, vitamin E are antioxidants. You get them from food. Beta-carotene, that is a type of vitamin A, is an excellent antioxidant. You get it from foods such as carrots. You can also take supplements of these vitamins under a doctor's advice. Some vitamins are dangerous in higher dose. Selenium is another antioxidant. Copper peptide is one more. Some of these antioxidants are formulated in topical applications and can be used to maintain the young look of the skin. Many vitamin formulations are available in the market to fight aging looks by application. Choose one carefully that suits your skin type. Speak to your doctor and fight the aging looks. Antioxidants are our friends. This video is only for informative purposes. This video is not intended to be a medical advice and it is not a substitute for professional medical advice. Please consult your doctor for your medical concerns. Please follow any tip given in this video only after consulting your doctor. The author is not liable for any outcome or damage resulting from information obtained from this video.